guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the brand new iPhone 12 Pro Max. Before we jump in, I just want to make a little disclaimer. I am in no way a tech channel, so I don't know all of the crazy technical stuff about this iPhone. So if that's what you're looking for, then this may not be the right video for you. But if you're looking for just a fun, chill unboxing, then keep watching. So this came in the mail probably like an hour ago. I pre-ordered this on the 6th. It is now Sunday, November 15th. It was supposed to come on the 13th, but it did not. It was a huge hassle getting this thing, which is why this video is going up on like Sunday or Monday instead of Friday or Saturday like I would have liked, but it is here now, so that's all that matters. All right, there's a ton of plastic in here. Oh my goodness, it is really heavy. All right, so here is the box. It's a lot heavier than I expected. It's also a lot thinner than all of the other iPhone boxes I've had in the past, which I'm assuming is because it does not come with one of these. I got this in graphite, and this is the 256 gigabyte one, I believe. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take the plastic off. That was a little bit less satisfying than I was hoping. All right, so I'm gonna open the box. Oh my gosh, this phone, wow. The cameras are huge. This phone just feels a lot bigger than the 11 Pro Max, even though it's not that much bigger at all. I don't know why it looks like it is. All right, let's take this out. That was satisfying. Wow, okay, so here it is. It just looks so nice and clean. The sides being like squared off is just like a really interesting feel. Also, I'm noticing that it is super easy to get fingerprints on the side right here, but on the back, I can touch it a lot and you can't even see the fingerprints. That's not really a big deal to me though, because I'm always gonna have a case on my phone. But let's set this aside for a second, look through the rest of the box. There's really not much to see. First, we have designed by Apple in California. I'm gonna end up needing this little tool and then a sticker. And then here is the charging cable. I want to say it's USB-C. That could be totally wrong and I would have no idea, but I have watched a lot of unboxings, so I think that's the name of this cable, but I'm not sure. So that is everything in the box. I'm gonna go ahead and set up the phone now. One thing I noticed when I set this down is that it is not like balanced just because of how big the cameras are, and I feel like it hasn't been this like extreme with any other iPhone that I've had. But again, that's not an issue because I'm gonna have a case on it, so it doesn't really matter. I'm gonna turn this on now. Does anyone else love seeing like the hello pop up? Because it just gives you that excitement of like getting a new Apple product. I don't know. Okay, English, United States. I almost just want to set up manually. I don't know why. I just always set up my phones as if they're like brand new, and there's really no reason for it. I just prefer it that way. Okay, it says it may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. This never takes that long, but while it's activating, oh, never mind. I have to insert a SIM card. Okay, so I guess I do that now. Where did I put the SIM card? I don't remember how to do this. I did it for my last phone, but I have no idea what to do right now, and I don't want to mess anything up, so I'm a little worried. I am gonna look it up really quick just to be sure. Okay, that was a little bit stressful because I was really scared that I was gonna mess it up, but we got it, I think. I'm gonna continue. I'm gonna set up Face ID. Okay, I'm gonna agree to terms and conditions because I'm not gonna read them. And it says it's gonna take a few minutes, so while it's doing that, never mind, it just finished. Okay, now it's actually taking a minute, so I am going to go ahead and unbox the cases that I bought for it. If you've been watching my channel, I'm sure you're not surprised by the wildflower cases. It's definitely a problem. Go watch my wildflower case collection video if you want to. I'll have it linked down below, or I'll have a card pop up on the screen right now. So I'm gonna set this one aside. Here is the first one. I can't remember what it's called. It just comes with a little card on the inside. And then here is the case itself. I'm obsessed with wildflower cases. This is nothing new. I just think they're really cute and they protect your phone. Knock on wood, I haven't had anything break in a wildflower case before. No cracks or anything. So yeah, this is the first one. And then let's move on to the second one. Again, another card on the inside of the case, and here is the case itself. I can't remember what this one is called either, but I will have it linked down below. All right, I'm gonna get back to setting up the phone. I'm gonna go with dark mode, standard, and then, oh, I'm done. Welcome to iPhone. Oh my gosh, it looks so nice. I'm gonna go ahead and put a case on it now. I think I'm gonna do this one first. Here's what the phone looks like with a case on it, and then here is the back. I think it looks so nice and so clean. I'm gonna go ahead and customize it now. If you want to see what's on it, I do have a what's on my iPhone video that I did recently ever since the new iOS 14 update, so it will probably be very similar to that, so I'll have that video linked down below. But other than that, I think that is about it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you stayed up until this point, comment the emoji that's on the screen right here. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Also, don't forget to follow me on my socials socials if you want to. You don't have to. They're always in the description. I'll probably have them on the screen too. But I think that's about it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.